Who is William Shakespeare? William Shakespeare is referred to as literary genius, and much of his praise is due to the wonderful words of his short sonnet poems and his extended poems as detailed on this page. He is the most widely read author in the whole of the Western world. His poems and quotes from the poems are familiar to everyone. And yet, when we think about Shakespeare, we immediately think of his famous plays and not his less famous poems. During the bard's lifetime, dramatists were not considered serious authors with serious talent, but it was highly fashionable to write poems. Plays were for entertainment, poems were for the elite. There was not even such a thing, a custom-built theater, until 1576. Actors were common folk. Poets of the era such as Christopher Marlowe, Sir Philip Sidney, and Sir Walter Raleigh were of the nobility, and their poems are still enjoyed today. These poets had credibility, and so did their poetry. William Shakespeare came from yeoman stock. He lacked credibility. His poems would have helped with his problems. The bard did not give permission for one of his plays or his sonnets to be published. He was, however, happy to have his poems published. William Shakespeare has been attributed with his poems.
Fear no more the heat of the sun, nor the furious winter's rages. Thou thy worldly task hast done, home art gone and taken thy wages. Golden lads and girls all masked, as chimney sweepers come to dust.
Fear no more the frown of the great, thou art past the triumph stroke. Care no more to clothe and eat. To thee the reed is as the oak, the scepter, learning, physic, math. All follow this and come to dust.
Fear no more the lightning flash, nor all dread thunderstone. Fear not slander censurage, gouache, teenage joy and moan. All lovers young, all lovers most, consign to thee and come to dust.
No exorcism nor harm thee, nor no witchcraft charm thee. Look and lady, over thee, nothing can come near thee. All consummation had, and renewed be thy grave.